and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am so excited because I have a Shein haul for you guys. They reached out and wanted to collab, and of course I said heck yes, because y'all know I love me some Shein. So they sent over a couple pieces for me to try on for you guys, so let's just go ahead and jump right on into it. So this is the very first outfit I have to show you guys. This actually comes as an entire set, and it is under $40. It's like $34 for all 3 pieces. So stinking cute. I will say, you can 100% see, these are see-through, so you can see under your underwear through them. So I highly recommend wearing some nude undies with them. Just now realized that. I apologize. So I got a size large, so every single item is a size large. It is so stinking cute. One thing I will say is the pants are like so unbelievably high-waisted. I don't love it. I don't love the pants. These 2 pieces, 100% love them. So cute, love them. The pants though, they are very high-waisted. Like they actually go up even farther than this. Like, look at how high-waisted those are. And the material is pretty thick. So I feel like I look way bigger in this area than what I normally do. Look very curvy. So I don't love the pants. Let me go ahead and put that back down real quick. So I just folded down this top part so that way I felt like it looked just a little bit better, and that way you could actually kind of like see a little bit of skin between the 2 pieces. But these 2 items I really like, and I feel like if you weren't as curvy as me, and I don't know, I feel like if you weren't as curvy as me, like you'd like the pants a lot more, but I'm just so curvy and I don't want to accentuate that, accentuate that any more than is already there. So I do feel like I look a little bit bigger in that area because of the thickness of the pants, but they are super cute and I really love that color. So the jacket is 100% so cute, love it. I have absolutely no complaints. It has like the little finger holes. And then I'll show you guys the sports bra real quick. All right, so this is what the sports bra looks like real quickly. I'm gonna show you guys the back in just a second, but it's really cute. It is definitely gonna be like a low impact type of sports bra. I don't think it's something I would go running in. I feel like the girls would just be everywhere. But it is really cute. I like it a lot, and I'm gonna show you guys the back real quick. All right, so that is what the back looks like. It's like super open, which I really like. I think that is really cute. And I feel like you could honestly wear this sports bra like with a pair of high-waisted shorts, and it would honestly look like a little crop top tank. And that would be super duper cute. But definitely, I'm gonna definitely pass on the pants. 2 out of 3 in the set isn't bad. I'm definitely gonna pass on the pants because I just don't like the way they look on me, and with how see-through these are, like, ugh, that's throwing me off. And then I also just noticed right here that there is a hole in them. So, and I literally just got them, haven't worn them, this is the first time I've tried them on, but, so that kind of stinks. I wish the pants were a little bit better, but the sports bra and then the jacket is super duper cute. All right, guys, so then this is the next item I have to show you guys. I wanted to try on the bathing suit so that way you guys could get a little bit better representation of like my midsection right here and my size, and just kind of show how those leggings definitely made me just look a little bit bigger in that area. I will say that this is a fail for the simple fact that it just does not look like the picture. The picture shows that they are way more high-waisted, that they come out like way above her belly button, probably to about like right here. It's a little bit different of a yellow color. It's definitely not showing up as yellow as it is in person. And this part is a little bit bigger as well. I would say that this is way too small as well as being big at the same time. It is way too big around for me, but then it's too small for the size of my actual boobs, because like if I lift this up at all, like it's kind of like hanging out a little bit. So that is a bummer. I will say that this makes me look so unbelievably tan though, which I really like that. It looks so tan because I am pale AF right now. So I do enjoy that, but it just does not look anything like the picture, which is such a bummer. And also I did get an extra large in both. They came as a set and I got the extra large in both of them. All right, guys, so then this is the next item I have to show you guys. And let me tell you, this is a total freaking win. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable. So it is just this really cute dress. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my goodness. So for reference, I am 5'10", and The length is fantastic. It's amazing. Literally fantastic length. Love that. 100%. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, and then, so as for this little situation, so first things first, I would definitely wear a different bra with this just to hopefully tame down the boobage that I have going on. I am a 34 double D, sometimes triple D, depending on, you know, what time of the month it is. So right now we got the triple D going on. And so the boobs are they're to attention right now. So I definitely would wear a different bra just to kind of tone that down a little bit, just because they're definitely there. And then I did like the little hack to like hide your bra, like the little TikTok hack where you just like, you shove it like in your bra, you do this whole thing. I'm sure y'all have seen it, but works amazingly. Big fan. So it comes all open. So like this is like completely separated, and then you just tie it yourself, which I really, really like. So that way, you know, you can do it yourself. You can tie it as tight as you want and all of that good stuff. Love that. I think it is so cute. It's just like this really, really pretty like red color with like little white flowers all over it. I think that this is so cute. Literally, I'm like, seriously, this blew my expectations. I did not expect to find this so cute. Oh my goodness. Who is she? Oh, so cute. Love it. I wish I had a little bit of a tan right now, but instead I am very, very pale. But 10 out of 10, love this. I think that it is so cute. All right, real quickly before I move on to the next item, I just realized I haven't been telling you guys like what I've been pairing with each item. I apologize for that. I don't know what got onto me, but I will have every single thing, every item, all the Shein items, as well as everything I have it paired with, linked down in the description box down below. So if you have, you know, if you want to know whatever I have paired with, oh my goodness, why are words so difficult? So if you'd like to know what I have it paired with, it'll be down in the description box down below. But okay, so the next item I have to show you guys is these shorts right here. Oh my goodness, how stinking cute are they? And best part about them is it comes in a pack of 4 for $25. They're these cute AF biker shorts. They're like not like the super long biker shorts. They're like the, I don't even know what you'd call them. I don't even know what length they are, but they're so cute. I bought a pair from Amazon for like 25 bucks, and I hated the way that they like just made my legs look. I thought they just didn't look very cute. And literally from Shein, you can get 4 pairs for $25. That's insane. So I will show you guys the other pairs in just a second, but I think that they are super cute. They make your little booty look good. And I just have it paired with this Abercrombie sweatshirt, super cute. I just have it like tucked in a little bit just to kind of give me a little bit of shape. And then I have these Adidas tennis shoes that I picked up from Nordstrom. But really, really cute. And I will show you guys the other shorts just now. Then these are the other shorts that it comes with. So it has like this dusty purple color, and then like a dusty mauve, and then this turquoise color. They are all so stinking cute. I got a size large. Again, they come in a set, so all of them are a size large. Also, real quickly wanted to mention the dress in the last outfit. I got a size extra large in that. Just so y'all know, I will have all of the sizes listed down in the description box down below as well. Damn girl, this lighting, it is bringing my cellulite out. Man, whew, them shadows, that lighting. All right guys, so then this is the next outfit I have to show you guys. It is this super duper cute t-shirt dress in like this lavender shade. So cute. Really, really like it. I have it paired with these Steve Madden sandals. I think it is really, really cute. And I do feel like it looks better on me in person than what it's showing up on camera. I don't know. I feel like it looks better in person. I will say it is a little bit see-through. I can definitely see my underwear just a hair. So I would probably go ahead and wear like some nude undies with it. But it is really, really cute. And I got a size extra large. All right, so then this is the next item I have to show you guys. It is just this super duper cute like dress. It's like a midi dress. It does have slits on both sides, which isn't like a terrible length. I feel like it's a little bit maybe too high. Again, I am 5'10", but I don't think it's terrible, and I don't think it looks bad. I think it is really, really cute. real quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it in the front because the model did have it tied, and I'm gonna see how it looks. All right, so that's how it looks with just like a little knot right there in front. I will say that it's not the most comfortable material. It's not like uncomfortable, but it just kind of has like a slight itch to it. So hopefully whenever like I wash it, that itch will kind of like come out, and hopefully it's just like from being like new, you know what I mean? But I think it is really, really, really cute. I think it just adds a little something if you do tie it in the front. I like it. I think it's really adorable. Also, I did get this in a size extra large. All right, guys, so then this is the next item, or next outfit rather, I have to show you guys. This one is a little weird because I will say that online it shows that it's meant, at least the model shows that it looks like they're capris, and they definitely are not capris on me. Again, I'm 5'10", so it's very rare that things are too long on me, but yeah, they're kind of like a weird length that I would not wear. I am gonna roll them up real quick just to see kind of how they look. Okay, I feel like that helped the situation a little bit, but that is super weird. I guess I could always cut them and then like sew them myself, but it is a really cute like little 3-piece set. So it comes with the duster and then a tank top and then the pajama bottoms. Super cute, and it's like soft and cozy. It's like a waffle knit material, and I got, hold on, let me see what size I got. All right, so I got a size extra large, and I feel like that is a perfect fit. It's like not too big, not too small. I think it's really, really cute, and I love this color. It's like a mauve color. I don't know if you can really get like a true picture of it on camera, but really, really cute. All right, guys, so then this is the next piece I have to show you guys. It is just this top, and I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I do not like it. I don't think it looks good on me. I got it in a size large, so that was the biggest that they had, and I just don't think it looks that great on me. I did like look at the reviews and stuff, and everyone seemed to really like it and it looked really cute on them, so I just don't think I have the body for it. I don't know, but I don't think it looks good on me. I did have it on with like a bra earlier, and literally no, my boobs were like falling out of it. So I took my bra off, and I don't know, I still feel like it just doesn't look that cute on me. I don't know. My hair is completely falling out. That's great. But yeah, I don't know. I don't really care for it. I don't think it looks that great on me. That is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.